Finding a truly reliable BMW under $10,000 sounds unrealistic to many buyers. The brand often carries a reputation for expensive maintenance and complex engineering. But when you actually listen to long-term owners, analyze high-mileage examples, and study consumer discussions, you start to notice a clear pattern. Certain BMW models, especially those with naturally aspirated inline-six engines, consistently stand out as durable, predictable, and surprisingly affordable to own long-term. In this breakdown, we're covering 5 of the most reliable BMW models you can buy today for under $10,000, based on consumer experience, long-term ownership data, and enthusiast consensus. Let's get into it. 1. BMW E39. The E39 530i is widely considered one of the best balanced BMW sedans ever built. It combines strong mechanical reliability with timeless design and driving engagement. At the heart of this model is the M54 inline-six engine. Owners regularly report mileage figures well beyond 200,000 miles, with some examples approaching 300,000 when properly maintained. Consumers consistently highlight a few key strengths. The engine is smooth and durable. The transmission options are proven. The chassis feels solid even decades later. Parts availability remains excellent. The most commonly discussed issues are related to the cooling system, expansion tanks, thermostats, water pumps, but these are predictable service items rather than catastrophic failures. Once refreshed, the engine continues to run reliably. For under $10,000, the E39 530i offers executive comfort, classic BMW steering feel, and long-term durability that still impresses owners today. 2. BMW E46. The E46 330i is often described by consumers as the sweet spot of BMW engineering. Again powered by the M54 inline-six, it benefits from mechanical simplicity combined with exceptional driving dynamics. Owners consistently report that this engine platform tolerates high mileage extremely well when basic maintenance is respected. What makes the 330i especially attractive is its balance. Compact size, strong naturally aspirated power, reliable 5-speed automatic or manual options, solid interior durability. There are known areas to monitor, such as rear subframe reinforcement and cooling system upkeep. However, these issues are well documented and manageable. Consumers frequently describe the E46 330i as a car that just keeps going once properly sorted. Under $10,000, it remains one of the safest enthusiast purchases in the BMW lineup. 3. BMW E90. When discussing reliable modern BMWs, the E90 328i with the N52 naturally aspirated inline-six engine comes up repeatedly in owner discussions. The N52 is widely considered one of BMW's most dependable modern engines. It avoids the complexity of turbochargers while delivering smooth, linear power. Consumer feedback highlights strong engine longevity, good fuel economy, solid transmission reliability, modern safety features, comfortable daily usability. Yes, electric water pumps and valve cover gaskets are maintenance items. But compared to turbocharged alternatives, the N52 platform is significantly less problematic. Many long-term owners report mileage well over 200,000 miles with no major engine failures. For buyers under $10,000, the E90 328i feels modern without becoming mechanically overwhelming. 4. BMW E83 X3. The first-generation X3 often surprises people when it comes to reliability rankings. The E83 X3 shares the proven M54 inline-six engine found in the E39 and E46. This immediately gives it a strong reliability foundation. Consumers appreciate all-wheel drive practicality, elevated driving position, mechanical simplicity, reasonable maintenance costs. While suspension components and cooling systems require periodic refreshes, owners consistently report that the drivetrain itself is robust and long-lasting. For buyers needing practicality under $10,000, the E83 X3 offers SUV versatility without stepping into high-risk turbocharged territory. It may not be luxurious by modern standards, but its durability earns it a place on this list. 5. BMW E60. The E65 series often divides opinions because some engine variants had serious issues. However, According to consumer consensus, the 530i, equipped with the naturally aspirated N52 inline-6, is widely considered the safest and most reliable version of the E60 generation. Owners specifically recommend avoiding early V8 models and turbocharged variants if reliability is the priority. The N52-powered 530i stands out because it avoids turbocharger complexity. It avoids high-pressure fuel pump problems common in turbo engines. It maintains smooth, naturally aspirated power delivery. Consumer reports frequently show these cars surpassing 200,000 miles with routine maintenance. Typical service items include electric water pump replacement, oil filter housing gasket, valve cover gasket, suspension bushings. None of these are unusual for a car of this age and mileage. What makes the E6530i appealing is that it feels significantly more modern than the E39, yet retains mechanical simplicity compared to later turbocharged BMW models. Under $10,000, it represents one of the best executive sedan values in the used market. Final thoughts. When analyzing real-world consumer feedback, the pattern becomes clear. The most reliable BMWs under $10,000 typically share naturally aspirated inline-6 engines, predictable maintenance schedules, strong parts availability, mechanical simplicity compared to newer models. BMW's reputation for unreliability often stems from complex turbocharged engines and neglected maintenance. But these 5 models show that when engineered during certain eras, BMW built cars capable of long-term ownership without financial disaster. If you had $10,000 to spend, which one would you trust the most? The classic E39, the balanced E46, the modern E90, the practical X3, or the refined E6530i? Let me know your choice in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more detailed deep dives into reliable German cars, support the channel with a like and subscribe. Your support keeps this content coming.